Hi there. I'm going to quickly go over the initial box setup for the Global Live Media Box. Okay, once you connect your power source to the box and your HDMI cable to the TV, you're going to get this boot up screen, which leads you to this screen, which is the settings tab. Just click on OK using your remote. Just click on the OK button. It's going to lead you to the settings tab, and then you're going to click and set up your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. I'm going to set up my Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to find my source, and I'm going to begin the process of typing in the password for my Wi-Fi. Okay, it's so much easier to use a mouse to do this, but since I have just the remote right now, I'm going to use the remote and type in my password. And okay, once you type in your password, click on the next button, and you want to probably toggle to your mouse and press connect. Okay, and now it shows that I'm connected. Let's go back to the main screen here, and on the top right you're going to see that the Wi-Fi is connected. Now, using the remote, point it directly at the box, and on this screen I'm going to just type in the number 8 a bunch of times. Okay, and that's gonna eventually it's going to set up the box to initialize. Okay, once you get to this screen, sometimes it takes a while before it gets to the screen once you type in all the 8s. You're just going to click OK for the immediate upgrade. And now the box is going to boot up and do some upgrades. It'll take a few minutes for this. Okay, it's going to lose a signal, and then now it's going to boot up again. And you're going to see a little Android loading the new features on the box. Okay, might take a few minutes. Wait for this to take its course. Some boxes do not go through this process. Others do, depending on how updated the system is on your box itself. But most of the new boxes will have this to go through. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, once the system has been updated, it's going to reboot again. And then it's going to lead you to the startup screen once again. Okay, it's done. The box has done its reboot, and here is the startup screen again. Okay, it's going to go to the settings tab, I believe. It's about to load now. There we go. So once you get to this tab again, just point the remote directly at the box and type in a bunch of 8s, and it will load. There it is. Okay, this is your user interface, and what you're seeing first is the My TV portion, which is the subscription portion of your box. If you go to the All Apps section, this is your free section where you're going to see a bunch of apps, and we're going to go through the loading of apps on this in a second. The first thing we're going to do with your My TV section, when you press OK, you're going to have to load the portals. Okay, so we're going to use Portal 1, and we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to type in the path to Portal 1, and this is what needs to be typed. I'm going to use the remote, and we're going to type in the following in Portal 1. I'm going to type in net N E T, the number 2, and the word go, G-O, and we're going to type in a period, along with CC. Okay, once you type all that in, press OK, and your portal 1 is set up. And we're also going to set up portal 2, and this is where you're going to type in portal 2. This is another server that we will be using in the future, so it's good to have it already on your box. So let's get that in there. Okay, so we're going to type in Q, capital Q, small q, TV, period, NL, L, and we're going to type in the / button and a small c. Okay, and then once that's typed in, press OK. I'm using the mouse now. Press OK. And your two portals are set up. Now, once your subscription is paid for, we're going to usually have you set up on the portal 1. Portal 2 will eventually become the better server, but for now we're going to use portal 1. Once you're set up like this and your subscription is set up, you're going to be automatically logged in to your MyTV service. Okay, let's go back. And once we set up your Mac ID to the server, if you click on MyTV, you'll be able to click on portal 1 and you'll be able to access all the channels. Right now this box is not set up on the portal yet. Okay, so let's go back out. What we're going to do right now is set up all the free apps. Okay, click on all apps and you're going to see that you have Netflix there, New Cloud TV, but it's not populated with the apps that I want to put on there. So we're going to put on some great apps for you right now, and I'm going to show you how this is done. Scroll over to your browser and we're going to go through for this, it's going to, when it says welcome to Chrome, just accept and continue. Don't sign in, just no thanks. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the URL at the top. There it is. And we're going to type in the following. Okay? We're going to type in raw. Once again, if you have a mouse, it's so much easier to do this typing. Raw APK, APK, period, .com. Okay, once you have that typed in, just press go, and it's going to load this page here. Toggle to your mouse, go across to the magnifying glass, which is a search button. It's a search feature for this site, and we're going to search for a bunch of apps. The first one we're going to search for is something called Cartoon HD. This is a great app to watch movies and TV shows. Don't worry about the title, it's not really cartoons, but it's really a great app to use to watch movies and TV shows, like I said. Cartoon space HD. Okay, once you type that in, all small letters, press go, and it's going to load a picture of Tom and Jerry. We're going to scroll down, and now in mouse mode, I'm going to hover over the words Cartoon HD APK. It's going to turn light blue, and I'm going to press OK. It's going to take me to another page. I'm going to scroll down. Just keep toggling back and forth between your mouse and your non-mouse, and you'll be able to scroll down back to my mouse mode. And this is where you're going to click on Download Cartoon HD APK. It's going to give you a warning message, and we're going to say OK on this warning message, and the download is going to start. Okay, so this is downloaded. Toggling back, we're going to go back up on the screen here, back to the mouse mode. I'm going to go to the search again, and we're going to type in another app. Okay, the next app we're going to type in is called Showbox. SHOW and box. BOX. Okay, type go. It's going to load Showbox, and we're going to scroll down on Showbox. Using the mouse now, we're going to go across, highlight the word Showbox APK download. It's going to highlight in blue. Click on it. It's going to lead to the next page. Toggle back and scroll down, and we're looking for download Showbox APK. There it is. Click on it. We're going to get the warning message and press OK on the warning message. And this will allow us to download Showbox APK file. Okay, this is done. Let's go back up and go to the next app. Click on the search feature again, and we're going to type in Mobdro. Okay, MOB MOBDRO. Okay, press go. Same thing with Mobdro. We're going to scroll down. We're going to highlight the words mobdro.apk download. It's going to turn blue. And we're going to press OK. It's going to lead to the next page. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to find the download Mobdro APK button. There it is. Okay, so click OK to the warning message and press OK. You can find many apps on here for free and do the same process and download it. And if you have apps that are outdated, do the same thing. Go back in here and download the most recent version. Okay, so once we've downloaded all of these apps, we have to install it. So what we're going to do now is go to the home page, click home on your remote there, and we're going to go across to all apps. Now we're going to go into File Manager. This is where we're going to find all those downloads that we've just done. Go to local memory, press OK, go down to download, and we're going to find 3 apps there that we're going to install. So one by one, I'm going to go down and press OK, and we're going to install. This one is the Cartoon HD, movies and TV shows. I actually have a video showing more details on how the application works, so that's on the other video that you can watch. Okay, once this is installed, we'll go to the next one, click on it. This one is Mobdro. We're going to click install. Okay. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other app that we have on there. I believe it's Showbox that's left. So once these are installed, you're going to find them in your all apps section. And these are great apps to have because they're free, and you do not have to pay for any subscription for this. This will always be available on your box. Here's the Showbox app. So if your subscription runs out and you don't want to pay for the monthly on the My TV section, just go to your all apps section and you'll find these apps that you can always watch. Okay. Showbox is another app for movies and TV shows. Works just as good as Cartoon HD. Whatever you don't find in Cartoon HD, you can find in Showbox. So you just go back and forth, and these apps are great for watching all the shows. Okay, once you have all of them downloaded, just go back to the home button. Remember, this is your subscription, and here is all your free apps. Click on it, and you're going to find Cartoon HDs there. You're going to find Mobdros there, and you're going to find that Showbox is there. So let's make sure that we downloaded everything properly. First, I'm going to go into Cartoon HD. It's going to load version 3.03. Sometimes it doesn't load properly. As you can see, this one did not load properly, so we're going to go back and download the APK file again. Let's go to Mobdro first. Click on Agree. shows. With Mobdro, you can watch a whole bunch of shows, news stations, sporting events, a lot of live channels as well. So Mobdro's working fine, it loaded fine. Let's get out of this. It's a great app to use as well. Let's go to Showbox. Let's make sure this loaded properly. I'm going to play a movie just to make sure that it is properly loaded. Okay, I'm going to go into the mouse mode, and I'm going to go to the top left corner so we can check their movies or TV shows if we want. We'll just click on a movie and make sure that it's loaded properly. Okay, top left corner gives you a drop down menu. I'm going to load movies. Just click on the first one. Whenever you get an ad, just click the back button. And we have an option to choose between different resolution. Press watch now. And let's see if it loads the movie. There it is. The movie's loading up. Loaded pretty quickly, so let's get out of it. Everything's fine here. Okay, we can just go home to the home button. Okay, so it looks like Showbox loaded properly. Cartoon HD had a problem loading at the first. Oh, now it's okay. So Cartoon HD loaded properly now. Let's just click on one of the movies here. Make sure that it's working properly. Okay, so when you get to this screen, just go to videos. Click on the word of the movie. And in this movie allows you to play just 720. And don't press download, press the play button. Let's make sure that it loaded properly and the movie has started, as you can see. Great. So all the apps are on there and it's free. Let's go back out. It's okay. Back. And there's the ad again. Just get rid of it whenever you want to get out. There's a great video showing all the features of this app, so make sure you watch that. So as you can see, you can go into Netflix, Mobdro, Showbox, Cartoon HD. There's Cloud TV as well, which isn't that great right now, but they might improve that. Okay, so your all apps section, you have your movies on there and your TV shows and the apps that you need. You can go into your browser. You can set up things on YouTube as well. You can go to YouTube channel. That's working perfectly. Kodi needs to have repositories set up. So right now it's just the most recent version of Kodi. There's nothing on it, but you can learn how to do that by going through some YouTube videos and add things on there. But you really don't need Kodi when you have the apps that I just put on the all apps section, which is Cartoon HD, Showbox, and Mobdro. That's all you really need for your free versions on this box. Okay, so here is your subscription side and here is your free app side. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Any questions, please email us. Thank you very much.